Hi guys, welcome to my bathroom. I wanted to show you guys this video how I decorate a bathroom because it's kind of a weird place. You don't want to put too much decor, but you also don't want it to be boring. You have a lot of stuff that you have to use every single day that you may not have the space for, so I wanted to show you guys how I style my shelves, how I choose what to put onto those shelves in the bathroom, why I choose white for some things, how I put rugs in here, you know, how do I make it a bathroom that's functional but also pretty. If you guys want to see how I decorate my bathroom, then keep on watching. Okay, so this is everything that I have for the bathroom. I'm kind of just doing a continuation of what I have in my room. I have my perfumes that I like, the bottles. Now, I ended up choosing this sink because there's an outlet right here and the windows right here, which is nice. My toothbrush and my fridge are both plugged in, so they needed to be by the outlet. Plus I do my hair, which obviously I need an outlet for. So we're going to put all of these items away where they need to go, and you guys can see me transform the bathroom. Now, in my Amazon video, you guys saw me talk about this pink fridge, this toothbrush, and this thing right here, which is my water pick. So I'm just gonna put that with that makes sense. I wanted to leave those out, one, because I use them every day, and two, that they need to be charged, but three, they're pink and cute, and I love a good pink moment. The next thing I want to talk about is these. I love a good reusable pump for soap. I like the big jars that I just fill up, but these ones are really cute from Target, but there's so many different options. These are just the ones that I got. Keeping it simple with a white hand towel, and then I'm using my perfume bottles as decor. I think they're really pretty. And then having a little tray for jewelry. Then I have a wicker trash can from Target and a tissue box just on top of my toilet. And then Matt has the same soap canister that I do. Have the toilet paper has to go the right direction. And then we're using a plant, even though it's fake, I'm putting it by the window so it looks a little more real. And then we're folding white towels. They get dirty very easily, but they just are simple and clean, and I just like to wash them. I have microfiber towels, and they are the best for the bathroom. And when it comes to folding, fold it once long ways and then just pull it down. I think that it hangs the nicest that way. But white, simple, it gets dirty, but you know, oh well, keep it clean. If you saw my last house, I used these really cool green prints that I made. I'll link the video right here for you guys if you want to know how I did this. They're super cheap, but I had an extra one laying around and I thought it complemented the other two plants, so I hung this little print above the towels. Then I have these two little rugs from IKEA. They fit really perfect in this space, and I used darker colors for Matt's side and lighter colors for my side, but they come in a lot of different patterns. Then, keeping it the simple white, I'm just using this for the drying rug for the shower because I don't want too much going on. So here I have a whole bunch of cute things that I use for my bathroom. I really like how my wood brushes look. And obviously I have a pink thing going on. My sink is over here all pink. So here's my oils that I use on the daily. I do have more down there, but they're not as pretty, so I'm just using these ones here. I have those out. I have this cute little basket that I would just like keep tampons or something else small in. I have my makeup brushes, my mirror, and of course like a little plant, have to have some greenery. And then I have this essential oil book. So these are my options. Here's some matches, a pretty comb that I don't use, but it's just pretty, some sage. So you can kind of put out whatever you want, whatever looks nice to you. And I like to use things that I'm gonna use in the bathroom and just like find the pretty stuff, and the ugly stuff just put into the drawers. Usually in your bathroom, you're not going to have enough storage for everything that you own, so I like to just take the things that are pretty. I like to buy brushes that are pretty or use little baskets for organization and leave those things out and use things for decor that are functional instead of just buying decor for the bathroom and then trying to shove everything underneath. Then it's just a mess underneath your cabinets. So like just utilize what you have and make it into decor. I think that's the best way to be able to use everything and also display it and make it look nice. So that is the bathroom all complete. I'm very happy how it turned out. It's pretty simple, pretty basic. It is a bathroom. I didn't want to do too much, but I think it's really, really useful, and everything out is pretty but is used and has a purpose. I hope that you guys enjoyed watching me style this bathroom, and you can use some of it towards styling your bathroom. If you like this video and you want more home decor videos, don't forget to subscribe to me and hit that big like button down below, as well as that bell icon to get notified every time I post a new video. And as always, thanks so much for watching. We'll see you next week. Bye!